Okay, that's right, I am sitting on it because that's how big and heavy it is. This is the new Intex Splash and Chill freaking island to hang out on. I'm here in Florida. It is sunny, as you can tell. It is hot, and it is now time for me to unbox this, set it up, put it in the pool, and see if I'm in trouble with Nikki. I saw this, I said, I gotta get it. It seemed like a value in terms of what they were charging, and I'm like, I gotta get this for the pool. It got delivered here. I hadn't told the sweet, beautiful wife, and comes, and I'm getting these looks like, what the hell did you buy for our pool? But it's here, so let's inflate it, put it in the pool, play with it for the afternoon or so, and then I'll come back. I'll give you Doug's score from 1 to 5, let you know whether I thought it was a good value or whether I thought it was kind of junky. Anyway, let's go do that. Hi, honey.
Hi, Jordan.
How are you?
Good, I'm relaxing.
So what do you think?
I think it's very cool.
Okay, crazy as this may seem for a video influencer, we just got totally carried away and had a great time that day playing on this thing, and I did not do a great cinematography for you, but I'm going to give you an absolute heartfelt review of this. Is definitely a 5 out of 5. We loved it. We had a great time. I can't recommend it anymore. It is awesome.